Hi everybody, my name is BitcoinFox and I am here to do YouTube coverage on Adax and where I see it potentially going. If you like any of this content, please click the like button down below and follow. I'll be happy to do more videos and your requests as noted. Thank you. Here's my disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor. It's not all strippers, AK-47s, and burritos, my friends. It is your responsibility to do your due diligence and to do your own research on the market and what you want to invest in. Here's why I believe Adax will succeed. We've seen UNISWAP in 9 months go from around 48 cents all the way up to $44 in 9 months. That is insane. That is over a $23 billion market cap. Adax has the potential to do a 200 to 500x. Here's why I believe that. With UNISWAP last year outperforming a lot of the market in cryptos, it did really well. It solved the key issue that Ethereum had, and that is swapping tokens, and also some fees. UNISWAP was a great option and tool to have on the Ethereum protocol. However, here's where Adax can do better and outperform UNISWAP. Right now, Adax is between a $21 million and a $51 million market cap. If Adax goes to a $1 billion market cap, that puts Adax at around $20 per token. If Adax goes to around $10, that's about $500 million market cap. That is so doable. This coin is extremely undervalued for what it will be able to do, what it does, and it is on the Cardano ecosystem. This is something you do not want to miss out on. Let's say Adax does half of what UNISWAP did. That would put Adax around a $10 billion market cap. That is a lot. But guess how much Adax will be worth by then? Around $200 per token. That is insane. That is insane gains, and this is why I encourage people to look into Adax. Don't let it go past your radar. You don't want to miss that. It's like discovering Cardano at around 1 cent 2 years ago, 2 cents 2 years ago, and passing up on it. Yeah, I could buy that, but I don't think it will ever go up. The odds of it going up while it's low are a lot higher than when it's high. Cardano has been doing everything it said it was going to do. When I was younger, I wish I knew a couple of things, like how to build credit, what is a mortgage, how do I get one, how do I do my taxes? These are all important things I always ask myself, and yet the school system doesn't teach that, and there's a reason it doesn't teach that. The system is rigged against the people. People who have money, who are in power, they will stay in power because their generation and their kids are taken care of while ours are not. I see Adax doing some correcting in the meantime. Corrections going down to around maybe 60 cents, which isn't a bad thing considering you'd want to get this thing cheaper before it moves. So the question you're all asking probably is, where do we see Adax going now after this huge dump? And because we've had this huge correction here, we've had a huge run from 36 cents all the way up to $1.15. That's massive. That's gonna need a correction. There's no way it can be sustained this way, and we don't want it going straight up because straight up is bad news. We want corrections so we can get in at a better level price where people have built support, and this is exactly what we plan on doing. Now, the last bounce was at 66 cents. That means we're going to have to retest around here. I believe the next bounce will be around 66 to 70 cents. What we want to see is we want to see the second bounce higher than the first bounce because that indicates an upward movement. It's more bullish statistically. And what we're going to be testing is we're going to be testing that 85 to 92 cents. If we can break through that, we're going to be testing the next resistance, which will be around $1 and $7.05. Now, if we break through that, we're going to be seeing higher highs. And that next level I see happening is there's an easy way to do this. We can quite honestly just take this. It's a measured move. And just move this here. Move that here. So if we smash through that, we're looking at $1.56. To be the next target for that move, and we'll probably pass that reaching around $2. Last year we saw Uniswap outperform a lot of the market, hitting a $23 billion market cap, which put it around $44. Let's say Adax did something similar. Let's say Adax hits around $23 billion market cap as well. That would put Adax around $400 to $500. No joke. Now let's say Adax does something more conservative, like a $500 million market cap. That will put Adax at $10 per token. That's a lot of money from here. Imagine putting $1,000 or 1,000 pounds, depending where you live in the world, or CAD, or Oz, and making 10K from 1,000. That is pretty impressive over the course of those couple of months. But this is crypto, and this is how the system works, and how it's going to return power to the people by putting back money to the people. When investing, it's important to realize the reason you're investing is because you believe your future is brighter than your present. You believe your future is brighter than your past. This is why people invest, whether it's stocks, crypto, anything. Financial stability gains you some sort of control, some sort of happiness. It can't buy everything, but it can buy the things that matter. One day, you will wake up and there won't be any time to do the things you've always wanted. Do it now. Biz Privy.